Hey, I'm Natasha. Let's see how project management works in Saleoid so you can move from sold work to delivered work without losing structure, visibility, or billing control. For a lot of businesses, closing the work is only half the job. The real mess starts when delivery, tasks, and invoicing all get handled in different places. Inside Saleoid, a project does not have to start from scratch every time. You can create a project by converting an estimate, converting a booking, or creating it manually. And if you do want to start from scratch, you can create the project for a client, pull items in using an estimate template, or even create a project for internal process management. That makes it easier to start work in the way that matches how your business already operates. Once the project is created, Saleoid gives you two different ways to manage it. You can use a list view for a more structured working style or switch to Kanban view when your team prefers a more visual board. And each project can also have multiple tasks with similar list and Kanban views to manage the work inside the project itself. That gives your team flexibility not only at the project level, but also in how they manage the day-to-day execution of the work.
Projects can also be set up in the way your billing model works. You can create one-time projects or recurring projects when the same work happens again on a schedule. For recurring projects, Saleoid supports different billing approaches like billing on project completion, per billing cycle, or fixed recurring billing.
So depending on how your business charges, you can decide whether the invoice gets created when the work is completed, on a recurring date, or at a fixed recurring amount.
And when it is time to bill, invoices can be created directly for the project. That can happen manually or automatically based on the way the project is set up. So depending on the billing setup, Saleoid can generate the invoice or generate and send it to the client, or generate it, charge the client, and send the invoice automatically.
That keeps billing tied to the work that is actually being delivered instead of forcing your team to rebuild the same context in another system.
That's the real value of project management in Saleoid. It helps your team create projects from real business activity, manage both projects and tasks in the view that fits them best, and keep invoicing connected to the same workflow. So instead of treating delivery as a disconnected phase, your business can keep the whole journey more organized from sale to completion. So that's how project management works in Saleoid. You can create projects from estimates, bookings, or from scratch, manage projects and tasks in list or Kanban view, automate recurring and ongoing work, and keep billing connected to the project itself. If you haven't signed up yet, click the link in the description to get started at just $5 a month for the CRM and $1 per additional app with a 2-year commitment, or schedule a call with one of our friendly advisors to see how Saleoid can fit your business. In the next video, I'll show you how social media management works in Saleoid so your team can publish, schedule, and monitor content from one connected system.